Hi guys, it's Matthew, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the solar panel. As you can see, that panel is already installed right there. You can see on top of the pan. So now the sun is a bit dull right now, so at the back of the panel, that's a 160 watts panel, and at the back of the panel you have two ports. That's a positive and negative at the back of the panel, and you can see the cable right there. There's a cable right there, so the cable is connected to the back of the panel and is extended to the room. So I'm going to go in now to show you guys all the other accessories you need to install the solar panel. Okay, right now we are back in. So these are the other equipments you need to install the solar panel. So you can see the cable that comes right from the pan. Make sure your pan is facing the sun directly. That's where the sun is shining. That's where you position the pan. So you can see the cables. These are the two ports that comes directly from the sun that is connected to the solar panel up there. So if you have even up to 3 or 4 pans, you join the cables together, the black joint to the black, then the red joint to the red. You can see right there, this is a charger controller. So what this does is to control the currents that will be going into the battery as it's charging. You can see it's still charging, just that the sun is a bit dull right now. So once you set your pan, that's the first step you do. Once you set your solar panel on top of the pan or where the sun is shining, you connect the cable to the back of the panel. So once you do that, the cable has you can see right here the red and the black right there, depends on the cable you are using. So the cable, this is the charger controller, and this right here indicates the solar panel. So the cable that comes from the solar panel, one of the cable goes to the positive, then the other one goes to the negative. So while this other one goes to the battery, there is the positive and the negative, while this one goes to the bulb if you want to power your bulbs, and this can only work with 12 volts bulbs. They are special bulbs. It won't work with 220 volts bulbs. It must be 12 volts. So if you are connecting any bulbs to this port, it has to be 12 volts. So here is the battery. This is what you also need. This is the battery. This is the battery I'm using. This is a 200 amps battery right there. You can see these connectors, the red and the black connectors. So this is the connector that comes from the charger controller. You can see the solar panel goes straight to the charger controller. Then the battery port as well, you can see the battery port. You need to get another cable for that. It's also positive and negative. So that positive and negative also goes straight. You can see where the battery is. That is the positive, then this is the negative right here. So you connect both. Then the last thing you'll be needing is the inverter. So this is my inverter right here. You can see I'm using a 1000 watts inverter right here. You can see the inverter. So this inverter has a port at the back. So then there's another cables that comes with the inverter, which is the positive and negative. So those two cables also joined, are also connected to the battery. You can see right here, this is one of the inverter cable. This is the negative and that's the positive. So this one goes to the charger controller. You can see there are two right here. Then this one also goes to the charger controller as well. So and once you do that, that is all you need. So at the back of the inverter, there's a port where you can plug your extensions, or once you have done your switchover, you can directly connect your switchover to the inverter. So once it's turned on, it will supply power. So it's very, very easy. So that's how you install your solar panel. And all the accessories you'll be needing, as stated earlier, you will need the solar panel, you will need your battery, which is this, the battery, and you will need the inverter. Then you will also need the charger controller. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more tech tips and how to. Thanks for watching. Bye.